I've been an instrumentation technician in petrochemical refineries for 20 years. 2 months ago, I tried to set up my own AI agent, a persistent assistant that could actually remember me and do things on my behalf. It took a week. It cost hundreds of dollars in API calls, and by the end, I realized, if it's this hard for me, someone who's comfortable with command lines and config files, it's impossible for everyone else. So I built RelayForge, persistent AI companions. We call them Lobsters, in a nod to Accelerando, that you actually own. Your data lives in files you can read. Every agent has a cryptographic identity. Every tool earns a public trust score. No API keys, no terminal, no computer science degree. Open beta launches May 30. Free tier, no credit card. Your AI, your data, verified. You can find the link to join the open beta in my bio.